Here I have Huawei Y5 2018 and let me show you how to insert here Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to find the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. So here you should find the slot. Let's open the slot by using some kind of the thumb tag. It could be also a special eject tool or just the simple thumb tag. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device, and as you may notice here you can insert the Nano SIM and two Nano SIM cards and one micro SD. So let's start with micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. All you need to do is place this card in that position to the slot. Alright, now let's insert the Nano SIM card. Here I have Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright, now let's put the whole thing into your device. And let's press it to the end. Alright, so here let me switch on the phone by using the power key. And let's wait until your device will be turned on, and let me check out if everything works correctly. Alright, so now you can unlock the screen, and here you can find and select the settings. Let me do it. From list of settings, let's choose network and internet, tap dual SIM settings. As you can see, the one SIM card is inserted. Let's go back, and from the following list let's choose storage. As you may notice, the device is reading your SD card, so everything went well. You can start using your device with your two cards. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.